Hello friends, you are welcome to this presentation. This is a complete 4-bedroom flat bungalow building for you to download. I am Self-Reason. In this presentation, we will be walking through the plan of this 4-bedroom flats, and this is a standard architectural drawing. We also look at the elevations, such as the front elevations, the rear elevations, the left and right elevations, the roof, and even the section, as well the door and windows schedule of this 4-bedroom flat bungalow building in AutoCAD. And I will also, in addition, show us how we can apply tiling. Right, for instance, you want to tile this living room, this one, okay, these provisions. So I will show you how to carry out tiling successfully. And I will also leave the link in the description of this video so you can be able to get this complete standard architectural drawing download successfully. I am Self-Reason. Once again, you are welcome. Let us get started. So if we should check the plan very well, you notice that this is a standard 4-bedroom flat. Alright, it is a standard 4-bedroom flat because it has all the rooms with convenience. Alright, so you can see WC water closet in all the rooms. Okay, so just like this, all of the room has a toilet successfully. And then you can see the size of the parlor, the living room is 3.7 by 4.2. It's quite large enough. And then there's also a visitor toilet here. Okay, so this is the plan of this building. The plot in which this building can enter is not up to one plot. If you have an half plot of land, you can use it to construct this. And this will serve also as a template for those of us or those of you that want to carry out an architectural drawings. You can reference this, make use of these materials, and there are some other materials in this particular template customized for you to use for your architectural drawing successfully. Okay, so here is the site of the plan. All right, so if you check very well the site distributions, the area of plot is 226.8 square meter. 226.8 square meter is not up to a plot of land. All right, the built area is 108.32 square meter. The unbuilt area is 118.48 square meter. So these are the percentage built area and the percentage unbuilt area. All right, here supposed to be percentage unbuilt area. So if I want to actually edit that, double click on that provisions. All right, and then you just have to key in on. Okay, unbuilt area, just like this. Okay, percentage unbuilt area. All right, can just drag this way. Okay, click on that provisions. Okay, so this is the distributions of the site successfully. Okay, so from here now we have the architectural plans. So this is a kind of a tiling, right? This is a tiling of this living room, and as well also tile this bedroom. Okay, and this is the roof plan. All right, so this is how the roof pattern is going to be, and the informations of the building structure is also in this provision. So this is a standard way of presentations of presenting architectural drawing, standard way. Okay, so you can get this can also serve as a template for you, as a reference template in which you can always look at while you are carrying out your architectural design. All right, so for this is the front elevations. You can see here is the front elevations of the building, just like this. Okay, and then this is the right elevations. Okay, this one is the back or the rear elevations, just like this. Okay, and then this is the left view. Okay, here we have the sections here, the sections. So your sections is being cut almost at the center of the plan, just like this section AA. So it is this section that you are now having it here. Okay, and then the wooden frame structure is being labeled over here, just like this. Okay, so after which what you have here is the door and windows schedule. Okay, so this is the most effective way to represent the door and window schedule. All right, your door and window schedule is supposed to have the window mark, okay, which can be W1. Supposed to have the quantity of that W1 window, okay, which is in this case it is 8 number of this W1. Supposed to have the opening type of the window, which is either sliding or casement. Okay, so the glass type, all right, the window size, the hardware, the frame finishing, okay, the frame material, the paint finishing, all right, the wall width, locations of the window. Is it in rooms or dining? In this case, it is room and dining. The accessories, okay. So this is the right way to present your door and window schedule for this first for this particular page. This is for window schedule, and then this other page is for doors schedule. Your door should be in both 2D and then in elevations as well, so you can see the detail of the door as well, okay, for this particular bungalow. So you can see how the drawing is being presented and then added to a title block just like this. Okay, so I will be leaving the link for you to download the whole of these drawings in the description of this video. Okay, so you can make use of it if you like. You can also use it as a reference. You can also use it as a reference drawing while you are carrying out your architectural design works. Okay, so I also leave some customized architectural fixtures here for you. Okay, so I have a lot of customized 2D architectural fixtures, and as well as electrical and mechanical fixtures, okay, that you can use like this. If you want to apply this to the plan, this particular sitting area, you can just get it highlighted just like this, and then you copy it, pick on the copy right there, click on it and walk it down. You can walk it down. You can decide to place it under this tree. All right, so you walk it down to these provisions and then you bring it on that line, click right there. All right, just like this, select it and then extend it this way. Okay, so you can see the way it now looks. Okay, so if this is not visible along for you, you want to scale it so that it will be bigger, you can also get it highlighted, type SC on the keyboard, enter, and then select it, move your hand this way. You can see it's becoming bigger just like this. If this is okay by you, you just have to click just like that, select it and then adjust it again by using M move on the keyboard, pick at the base point and then move it to this other provisions. Okay, you have to move that again towards these directions up to this point close to the tree. All right, and then you just have to extend the normal ground level line. This is a normal ground level line, this line. Okay, so you have something of this kind. So this is how you use most of this customized material. All right, if you want to use tree, there are various trees here. Now come over here, you have also material for your motorcycles, 2D motorcycles and vehicles here. So all of these are inside of this template. If you get this template, you will not find it difficult to use these materials. You can see beds here, okay, dining table of various kinds, okay, doors in 2D and in elevations as well. Okay, if you come over to these provisions, you will have something like airplane. You can see the various lights here. Okay, this one, okay. So these are 2D lights. For instance, if you want to apply this one, you can just copy it right there by selecting all of the objects. Okay, then you just hit on the copy right there, pick the base point, and then take it to the building that you are elevating in AutoCAD. Maybe you want to place it here, for instance, you can just bring it and place it there, just like this. So you can see, so this how this template will actually help you to carry out your architectural complete working drawing successfully. Referencing this complete working drawing, this is just a bungalow, all right, a 4-bedroom flat bungalow, complete drawing. This drawing meets requirement. Okay, it actually meets requirement. So this is how architectural drawing are supposed to be presented. All right, so if you get the template, it will help you to present your architectural drawing just like this, because you'll be making use of the materials and everything that's being used in this drawing to also work on your drawing. Also, I will leave the link in the description of the video. You can click on the link and then get this template download. Okay, so I said I will show us how to actually provide tiling, just something like this. Okay, how to provide tiling surface like this for a living room or any other rooms that you actually wanted to implement it. All right, so how to do that is this. At first, you have to use the polyline to mark out the provisions that you want to tile. Let's for pick that point, and then over here I will pick this point, pick this particular point, and then I will make sure I activate my auto so I can have a very straight line. All right, I'll pick that point which is correct, and then pick the last point. So after you must have picked the four corners that make up this kitchen. All right, just select the line that you created. You get the line selected just like this, and then CO on the keyboard, enter. You copy it outside this place. I'll activate my polar tracking, place it here like this. Okay, so what you just need to do now is you want to identify the lines that the lines that demarcate tiles. So I will be using a white line to demarcate the tiles, so I will leave it the way it is. Okay, so after which I'll go straight away to ash. Click on the ash right there. So in the ash dialog, I will select in this provisions to have a drop down menu, and I will navigate to an ash called net. There is an ash called net. This is the one we'll be using. Select it, and then just pick in the boundary, inside the boundary of these lines, just like this, and then you have something of this kind. Okay, so what you need to do is to increase the scale. Come to this provision here, we have scale as 1, increase it to, let us increase it to 2000 and see what happens. You will have something like this. Scale at 2000 give you something like this. Okay, so this is more or less look like a tiling lines demarcations. All right, so once you are done with this, if this size is okay by you, you can also make it 2500 like this. All right, so if this is okay by you, what you just need to do is you click on closed to activate this. So this is the tiling line. Then for the tiling color, you have to now get back to ash again. So you click on the ash. All right, just like this. So this time around, you click in this ash drop down provision, and then you are going to be using this. We are going to be using solid. Okay, this is solid, so you select solid, after which you come to this color provisions, and then you choose any color of your choice that you want to use for your tiling. All right, so you just have to check any of this color. Let's, for instance, I want to be using this one. All right, so I've got it selected, so I just have to click here to have it just like this. All right, so after which I will right click and enter. Then I will need to select this color again. So once I select it, the ash provision or ash editor will be enabled just like this. So from here, you can be able to adjust the level of transparency of the ash. You get, it's either you make it faint, all right, or you make it more opaque. You can see that is transparency. All right, so you can either make it at 50% or thereabout. Okay, just like this. All right, so after you must have done this, you click on the close ash editor. To close that editor, then you will navigate to the modify panel. Click in these provisions, come down to where you have these options to bring your object forward. Click in the drop down provisions. We are going to send the ash color backward, so you just have to come down and then select send to back just like this. Right, and then you select the tile color and enter. You see it's been sent to back. All right, so now you have to just highlight all of these objects and then click on move. All right, pick the base point. I will take care to be my base point. Pick it there and take it right to the kitchen just like this and place it here. All right, and then you will have something of this kind. So this is how I got all of this. This is how you can create a tiling provisions, okay, for your house plan of this kind. Okay, so we have walked through all the elevations as well as the plan of this standard 4-bedroom flat. All right, if you have any question, you can drop it in the video descriptions or the comment sections. All right, but for the download links, I'll drop it in the description of this video, so you can be able to get this template for your daily architectural design in AutoCAD successfully. Thanks for staying through the presentation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more advanced lesson of this kind. Bye for now.